Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 6 black screen problem. Let's fix it guys. Unfortunately there is not one solution that works for everybody. So you need to try each of these steps to find the one that works for you. First step, you just need to update your graphics drivers. To do this, for NVIDIA users, use the GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience installed in your PC, then check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, use the AMD Radeon software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After that, just to close stuff here. Second step, you just need to verify game files. To do this, you just need to open the Steam or Battle.net. Go to library, right click on the Black Ops 6 and select properties. Select installed files and select verify integrity of game files. After that, just to list stuff here. Third step, you just need to adjust the graphics settings. Sometimes overlay high settings can cause a black screen. So you just need to go to settings and graphics. Lower settings for resolution. Try a lower setting to see if it fixes the issue. And turn off ray tracing. Set texture quality to medium or low. And then enable window mode temporarily to see if the game runs. Fourth step, you just need to disable overlays. Overlays from apps like Discord, Nvidia, GeForce Experience or Steam can interfere with the game. So you need to disable all overlays and try launching the game. Fifth step, you just need to update DirectX and Visual C++. Check my video description for download link. Scroll down and select the download option and scroll down. This is for 32-bit operating system. Select this link. This is for 64-bit operating system. Select this link. After getting download and install both, and after getting installed and you just need to restart your PC. Sixth step, you just need to check where display drivers and settings. If you are using multiple monitors or a high refresh rate, then you just need to disable additional monitors temporarily and set your refresh rate to 60 Hz in your display settings for testing. Seventh step, you just need to update Windows. To do this, go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any pending update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date guys. After getting you are up to date, you just need to scroll down, select advanced options, select optional updates. If you have any updates available in here, then you just need to check the boxes and select download and install option. After that, just to close stuff here. Eighth step, you just need to disable background applications. Some background apps can interfere with the game. To close that, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select task manager. End unnecessary processes like browser, antivirus, etc. Just right click on it and select end task. After that, just to close stuff here and try launch the game. Ninth step, you just need to recheck system requirements. Make sure your PC meets the minimum requirements. You just need to make sure you have that. After that, launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Call of Duty Black Ops 6 black screen problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.